In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to add driving license to Apple Wallet UAE and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the Apple Wallet officially gives users the options to add their driver's license. You will be able to open the application, register a digital driver's license, and you will see all of the information listed there inside of the Apple Wallet. Now, how do you do the same process? Well, if you try to open the Apple Wallet, you tap the plus sign, even though you will have plenty of options to choose from, such as credit or debit card, transit cards, and other options, you will not be able to find anything related to adding a driving's license. So, as it stands today, is it completely impossible? Do you have to do it through an external application, or do you have to update the wallet? Well, sadly, the actual answer to the question in the title of this video is that adding a driver's license to your Apple Wallet if you are currently located in UAE is impossible. This feature was indeed officially introduced by Apple, however, it is limited to only some participating United States locations. So, as it stands today, only some US citizens have access to this feature from Apple. Besides those US citizens, no one else can actually add a driver's license, including people who are currently located in the UAE. So, unless in the future Apple expands the availability and brings this to other states, you will not be able to add your driver's license. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using this feature introduced by Apple into the Apple Wallet and why people outside of the US cannot use it. So you will just have to wait until Apple officially brings this and expands it to other regions. Once they do, you will be able to follow the same steps to add it. I hope I was able to help you on how to add driving's license to Apple Wallet UAE. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.